Everyone, it's Mr. Bishop again. Just going to give you another quick maths video on what you can do at home to support your children's learning with maths. Now, we took a step back last week so that we could really get to grips with adding in our tens, because it turns out we needed a bit more support with that one. But we're going to step forward again, and now what we're going to try and do is adding tens and ones a little bit more conceptually without resources such as 100 square. So what we're going to try first at school, and it'd be really useful if you could do this at home as well, just to get the practice in, is we're going to try doing this on a number line. Now the line represented here doesn't have any numbers on it. Now that's nothing to worry about. We're just going to use it to highlight some of the steps that we take when we're adding tens and ones. So if I was to give you a number sentence such as 15 add 40 equals, now usually we'd have it on 100 square and we'd sort of count down to see where we'd end up. But now we're going to try starting here with 15, that's where we start. And we know, because there are 4 tens in 40, that we're going to have to make 4 steps or 4 jumps. On 100 square we'd go down, but let's see if we can start to see this on a number line. So let's do 4 steps. It would go 1, 2, 3, 4. Now that's all well and good, but where does that take us? So we know the tens change when we're adding tens. So after 15 it would be 25, 35, 45, and we would end up on 55. We know that 55 is going to be our answer. Now if I rub that out, give another example, but this time we're going to add tens and ones. The number sentence this time, let's go for, I don't know, 17 add 22. Why not? 17 add 22. We'll start here at 17. Or I suppose we could swap them around, couldn't we? Because we know with addition that we can do either way. So we could start with 22, 17. Let's start with 17. I'm going to do my tens first. I know I have to jump 2 tens. So we'll go 1, 2 tens. And we know it's 2 tens because there's 2 tens just there. So I'm going to go 27, 37. I'm trying to do this without the 100 square now. But we've still got some ones to add. Got 2 little ones here, so we're going to go 1, 2. So it'll be 37, and then we'd go to 38, and then at the end we'd end up with 39. Our answer is 39. If you could practice that at home, simply like this, we'll worry about throwing in curveballs, like having that missing and seeing what's going in there. We'll worry about that a little bit later. But just for now, let's get used to using that number line. And if you could do that at home, that would be wonderful. Appreciate the time as always. Goodbye.